Getting out here, man. Trying to find some water. There's got to be some around here somewhere. I found it, man. Right over here. There it is, guys. Sweet wild water. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Nothing like a beautiful little stream in the wild. Clear water. Ah, it's gorgeous. So peaceful. Man, that water is green. It's awesome. We'll just follow the river a little while. See where it takes us. Going downstream. Ooh. There's a deep hole right there. That's a pretty deep hole. Look out here, you can see the coloration difference. Look at that deep hole right out in there. Not all that big, but that's deep, man. That's a deep hole out there, man. There's some catfish in there. Hey, did you guys hear about that woman in the Walmart parking lot? They caught the sleeve of her arm on fire while she was trying to light a cigarette. Yeah, she jumped out of the car, man, and started waving her arm around real fast, trying to put the fire out. And the cops surrounded her, and they jumped out of their cars and shot her, man, and killed her. And when they asked the police why they shot her, they said, well, she was brandishing a firearm. Uh-oh, man, Bigfoot. I don't want to be charged. Guys, this has been nice getting out in the wild today. It really has. Thank you very much. Now I got to figure out how to get out of here.